I'm just feeling like I'm a failed YouTuber. So I don't really want this video to really look emotional, but I'm just here to share my thought with you why I've not been posting some content on YouTube, and I've started feeling like I'm this failed YouTuber or social media influencer because I don't really know where this YouTube channel is going. I don't really understand why I've been putting much of energy and much of work to make things look well, to make things look fine, and the result is not just motivating to continue going. And I really want to share this with you because I know somebody is out there that might really be feeling the same thing with whatever you're doing, but that does not stop you, or that does not mean you should quit. I believe this is just like the starting point of whatever we are doing, and that does not stop us from being successful at it. Though our brain is always looking for errors to demotivate us and make us feel like we're not like getting things well, just for us to keep grinding and to look for how we can actually perfect ourselves to make these things fine. But to the flesh, we are always wanting to stop, and it's not just really cool. So I've decided to make this video just to help somebody out there. No matter what you're doing, no matter how you've been going to the gym and grinding hard, success is still yours. And just like me, sometimes a lot of things actually affect whatever we are doing, such as the environment we find ourselves or the tools we have in our disposal or in our domicile. A lot of things comes in place to work either for good or for bad. But the greatest of all is the mindset we are putting. So I'm just like making this to show the authenticity that I have, that everything is just still cool no matter how you've been doing it, and it's not just working. Just continue doing it, just do it. Go to the gym, do the video, edit it. Everything is still gonna be like falling back on you for good. And stop thinking you're a failure to yourself. Stop thinking you're not just getting it and that's the end. So I can't really say. So I want you to like this video, subscribe, share, comment on any method you think I can work on, either my thumbnail, which is just like the package of the content, or any other thing. And just feeling like I'm a failed YouTuber, and every of my social media handles they are not just giving me what I expect them to give me. They are not really like pushing me. The numbers are like affecting me now. Another thing is experiencing burnout. Another thing is you not just getting it. Like, maybe social media is not for me, but I know it's just maybe the approach that I'm taking. So that's it. I don't have much to say.